bengakabi bona basahubha ama-expectations abo babambe enkulumeni ukuthi ufuna umuntu onjani babe yileyo nto bayi-act but never bayi-acte for life. That's why mostly imishado iqala uba nama-problems for 5 years, between 5 and 10 years. Imishado eminingi ibreaka lapho. Why? Because someone is showing the true characters. Sengikhathele uku-act. Abanye bayasho sengikhathele uku-act. Sefuna ukuba uyena. Hayi mase uyena-ka ngiyakutshela.
Ayilotshelwayo ukuthatha personal
Ayilotshelwa-ke hayi ngiyakutshela.
ifika kabuhlungu.
Lalela uyagula ubonakala wosinyama hawo ngiyakutshela uyagula because siyabona nje hey so but ukhanda yazi ukuthi why now usubona asikaze sibe ne-relationship akaze sibe ne-journey yothando sixabane sibuyelane sihlukane sibuyelane singakashadi then kucace ukuthi hayi no fast sasikhulile because isiZulu sithi intombi ihlule ezinye. In other words, you've compared her with others, she won.
Amen.
And as Maumfagi ring, it's not just a ring, it's a reward of winning. Usebenzile again. Ngikumise nabanye wabahlula. You are the wife. But the setup religious doesn't give you that opportunity.